Hey, my name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering, and today we're going to learn how to keep your cornbread moist. So, how do you keep your cornbread moist? Well, there's a couple different ways to do so. One, the method. Are you using butter or are you using oil? Now, there is an age-old question and debate over, well, if I'm making cornbread, I should use shortening or oil or butter. The real thing is how long do you want it to last? Now, if you want it to last longer, moister longer, then oil's the way to go. If you want it just to be naturally moist right off the break but dry out a lot quicker, butter's the way to go. That being said, you pulled it out, it's nice and moist. Now, how do you keep it that way? Well, one, put a towel over top, aluminum foil over top. Butter, honey, creamed corn. You can put them on top, you can put them in. Either one of those is going to help keep that cornbread moist. Another way, if you put it in a tray or you cooked it in the cast iron skillet, by all means, take it out when it's cooled down and throw it in a Ziploc bag or something that's airtight. Keep that moisture in there. It's that simple. That is how you keep cornbread moist. My name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering. I look forward to coming over and eating some of your moist cornbread.